Hello dear students, welcome to SK Biology. Today I am starting important unit from NEET syllabus, unit number 7, Genetics and Evolution. With the series of lectures, I will cover each and every point from this unit. So stay tuned. Let's start with first part of the unit, which is heredity, variation and Mendelian inheritance. We will learn each and every point one by one. Let's start with heredity. Heredity is all around us, all the time. Students, you must have observed we are surrounded with different organisms around us. Here we can see 4 of them. To understand heredity: zebra, human, plants and bacteria. All these organisms are easily recognizable due to their unique appearance or features. Traits of all 4 organisms are totally different from each other. But all reproducible organisms have one thing in common, that is, they produce similar kind of offsprings. I mean, zebra's foal will have black and white strips, 4 legs, 1 tail like that of parent zebra. Humans will give birth to child and that child will have similar features as that of parents. Plants will reproduce similar kind of plants, and in the same way bacteria will multiply to produce similar kind of bacteria. For example, if parent bacteria is rod shaped, it will produce rod shaped bacteria, and if parent bacteria is spherical in shape, it will produce spherical bacteria. This observation gives us clear idea that every organism give birth to similar kind of organism. I repeat, every organism give birth to similar kind of organism. But question is, how this is happening and how parents and offsprings looks alike? The answer is heredity. The mechanism of transfer of traits or characteristics from parents to offspring is called heredity. It is also called as biological inheritance, which transfers similar features from one generation to next generation. Different traits parents pass on to next generation, for example, eye color, height, hair type, skin color, etc. Let us understand this concept of heredity with this picture. Parents having one son. 4 features we can easily track. Son has brown eyes and dimple on a cheek, inherited from mother. And he has broad lips and similar hair color like a father, indicates that these 2 traits are inherited from father. So, in this way, heredity works for all reproducible organisms. But the question comes, why we are not exactly like our parents? If we are getting all the traits from parents, then why we are not exactly like our parents? Answer to this question lies in our next point, which is variation. All traits of new generation, that is offsprings, are not similar to parents. There are some differences, and these differences are called variation. Variation is the measure of differences between 2 individuals of same species. Because of existence of variation, we are not clone of our parent, that is, we are not exactly like our parents. Mainly 2 factors are responsible for such variations: genetic and environmental factors. To understand further the concept of variation, look at this picture carefully. You can see that parents have 3 kids, 1 boy, 2 daughters. Hair type of son and father is similar, but both daughters has hair type which is not matching to any of the parent. This difference is because of genetic variation. In all, heredity is the transfer of similar traits between 2 generations, and variation is the difference between parent and offspring's trait. I hope you understood these 2 concepts. Now I have one task for you. Observe yourself and your parents and let me know in the comment box which trait you have from your parents and which trait you have but it is not present in your parent.